The severe weather system affecting Barbados has been upgraded to Tropical Storm Matthew, and the tropical storm warning is now in effect for the island. The warning means that tropical storm conditions with winds between 34 to 73 miles per hour are expected within 36 hours. But as you can rightly see outside now, the rains have started and the winds have picked up. We continue to monitor the progress of this system, and we advise all persons to exercise all the necessary precautions and remain indoors for your safety until further notice. Persons in low-lying areas and flood-prone areas are advised to take all the precautions, and you are also advised to seek shelter. Again, with family first, but of course we have the emergency shelters, the Category 1 emergency shelters are open. Currently, there are a total of 3 persons, one each in 3 shelters, Combermere, St. Christopher's Primary, and Leicester in St. Thomas. The Met Office has advised of this current situation after the Hurricane Hunter would have gone into the system, and further advisories will be given as time goes on, and they have indicated that the next advisory will be around 6 p.m. or sooner, depending on the conditions. We also need to note that a small craft warning is in effect for above normal swells. Again, I encourage the Barbadian public, please stay indoors. It is for your safety. We here at the National Emergency Operations Center, we are fully activated. We have been activated since 10 p.m. last night. There are a number of, we have had a number of incidents. The Barbados Light and Power, they have indicated that there's electricity out in the Oysters and Maxwell area. Their juice feeder, which covers part of the St. Thomas and the St. Joseph area, those are out as well. And the Savannah feeder, which covers parts of Christchurch and St. Philip, they have been compromised as well. At this point, because of the worsening conditions on the outside, our first responders are inside battened down. There are no persons out in the field. The Light and Power, they would have gone out before, but of course, because of the worsening conditions, they have had to come indoors.